Hi, I'm Ryan Burton, Design Estimator at CSI, and welcome to this week's edition of Fittings Friday. One customer recently contacted me looking for a high-purity injection nozzle that could withstand the extremely aggressive solution they were adding to their line. Hastelloy C-22 was the material specified for the 1-inch tri-clamp nozzle. This customer has been using C-22 for many years because of the material compatibility to their media. C-22 is one of the most versatile alloys available today with improved resistance to uniform and localized corrosion. Now the customer has peace of mind that microbial contamination and frequent equipment replacements are no longer a concern. If I can help you with your next fittings project, give me a call at 417-831-1411 and ask for Ryan, or visit csidesigns.com.